Hello, Dr. Suzanne Bechtel here again with the lecture, fourth of the four-part series on divorce procedure alternatives to trial. In other words, ADR, alternative dispute resolution. This time we're going to cover collaborative divorce, which is becoming more and more popular in family law. So collaborative divorce is defined as a method of practicing law in which the lawyers for both sides agree to help the clients resolve their conflicts by using cooperative techniques rather than adversarial strategies. The attorneys and their clients commit to constructing an agreed upon outcome without any court involvement and enter into a participation agreement. The revolution is one of reducing conflict and strain on people, minimizing that and the emotional stress. Cooperative legal approach where both sides work together, so there's open communication and mutual respect throughout the process. Families have much better outcomes under under the collaborative divorce paradigm because it leads to lower costs, which is great, quicker resolutions, and also solutions that benefit both parties and their families. The commitment is to come up with a participation agreement and get that signed. And the clients and the attorneys commit to resolving disputes collaboratively by signing a formal participation agreement and avoiding courtroom confrontation. So they make an agreement to be in a collaboration. The lawyers withdraw. If no settlement is reached, the lawyers must withdraw and are prohibited from representing clients in future litigation. I thought about that and I'm wondering why, but I think that's because they really do play a role and they learn a lot, and probably some stuff that's privileged and confidential and would create an ethical dilemma. The benefits of it is a respectful form of communication, designing creative solutions that can be tailored into creative agreements, complex conflicts without being limited by the standard court proceedings. And the privacy and confidentiality are a really big part of this collaborative divorce benefit. All this information remains private. There's no public court involvement in collaborative divorce. It's integrated. It's integrated through a multidisciplinary approach. Kind of reminds me back to arbitration, where we could use maybe the arbitrator or the panel has special expertise. And that's one of the goals in collaborative divorce, being able to save money on experts. For one thing, if you think about it, an expert witness is expensive. To have that opportunity both at trial, you're paying more money for it. So what happens is the experts here will work together designing these solutions, and they'll be specific to their unique needs of the separating couple, and it fosters more creative outcomes. And there's a focus in collaborative divorce on positive outcomes. Excuse me. The integrated system, because it's multidisciplinary and tailored, it encourages cooperation and problem solving, aiming for the best results for everyone involved. The thinking that people go through when they're involved as a party, if you think about, it's like the least painful outcome for both sides. Well, when you're restricted to trial to have a judge find that, the evidence gets to the judge, and the judge is going to make decisions based on other things as well, on the evidence, and judge being the fact finder in a dissolution of marriage case. There could be very realistic reasons legally for a judge to make a decision, but with the integrated approach, real experts come to the fore and help with this outcome. The team, it's a collaborative divorce, features a team of professionals, kind of redundant, but that's what the team looks like. experts, lawyers, both spouses, optimal solutions because of the group think. The team composition is flexible. It can be tailored exactly as needed for the family's needs. Even specialists like child experts can be used if necessary. This comprehensive family support, it addresses all of the emotional, financial, and logistical concerns. This way, families have some guidance from trained experts. And again, this is not going to happen in a court of law. The support in a collaborative divorce, what a paralegal would be doing in a collaborative divorce office where they're working in this area, working with for attorneys in this area, intaking clients or intake clients as usual, building a rapport. This is family law is an area where empathy and being transparent in communication is very useful. And collaborative divorce would need to really have people working on their team that have that open-mindedness and can be positive about collaboration in the first place. You'll coordinate the team as a paralegal in this type of situation where you're organizing meetings, working on finding and retaining experts of whatever type. Mental health professionals are involved. And again, this unified approach means that we have an opportunity for the team, for the paralegal to be dealing with an entire team, setting that up and establishing really positive relations for the purpose of maintaining that seed of collaboration and working together. That would be really important for the paralegal. Paralegals will, as usual, in all walks of the paralegal's life, there's organizing and drafting documents, document support by updating, tracking decisions during sessions, keeping the records straight on all of the what's happened, and so that nothing gets missed. So apparently, I would say this takes a paralegal who is very keen on details and doesn't mind listening carefully to what's going on and being observant of what's happened. The paralegal, in all cases, particularly family law, we have client guidance and communication role that we play. So we're going to always be there to provide support. We're a model of respectful communication, and we're maintaining calm guidance for clients at every stage. I believe that's the last slide. And again, these are the references for this particular lecture. Thank you.